Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami rabbit. If you like our video, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. We're going to start with the origami paper white side up, and we're going to fold it in half diagonally. Crease, unfold and fold it along the other diagonal. Crease and unfold. We turn the paper over and now we're going to fold it in half horizontally. Crease, unfold and then vertically. And then fold. And using these creases, we're going to flatten the model to make a water bomb base. It looks like this. It has 4 flaps. Okay. Next, we're going to bring this corner to the top, and crease, and do the same for the other side. And then we bring this corner to the center. Crease and do the same on the left side. Next we'll bring this flap down. And then the left one too. And now we're gonna bring it sideways again. And next we're going to insert this flap into this pocket. So it looks like this. And do the same for the left side. Fold, crease, unfold, and we insert it here. So here we have a balloon base. Turn the model over, and next we're going to bring this flap down. We do a valley fold. And do the same on the left side. Next, we're going to fold it like this so that this side and this one are parallel. And do the same on the left side. And then we're going to bring this corner here. And do the same on the left side. And then we're going to blow air into this hole. And it's done. You can adjust it just a little bit like this and make it stand. I hope you found our video interesting, and if you did, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take a look at the description below this video to find links to other fun origami models and also to some interesting gift wrapping tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time!